What's going on, happy people? My name is Kyle. Welcome back to another episode of DIY Buildouts. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from your car. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to tackle this project, you will need 7 things: 2 microfiber cloths, 3,000 and 5,000 grit sandpaper, a scratch remover, soap and water, and paste wax. So the types of scratches that are common on cars are called clear coat scratches, otherwise known as light to medium scratches. The super deep ones, those will not work when you try this technique, but as you can tell, the scratches on my car disappeared when I got them wet. This tells me that they are only in the clear coat and they can easily be fixed by buffing them out. So the first step is wet the car down and get all of the impurities off of the paint so that I'm not rubbing in dirt and debris and making things worse. Now, once the vehicle is clean and dry of all of the impurities, I let it dry for a second and I will come back and start sanding. So 3,000 grit sandpaper is more aggressive than 5,000. The first thing you want to do is wet the car and wet the 3,000 grit sandpaper. Then you're going to scrub perpendicular to the scratches to level out the clear coat. Not that way for mine, but this way. That way I'm perpendicular. Once I'm done what I think is done, I go ahead and I dry it off. Then once I can see the haze, I use my eyeballs to see if you can still see any of the scratches. Before you can proceed to 5,000 grit sandpaper, I need to get rid of the visible scratches. So to do that, I simply re-wet it and go back after it with the 3,000 grit sandpaper. I repeat this process until no scratches are visible when it's in the dry haze stage. So here I do it a third time even, just to get it right. Now, as you can tell from this final haze, the scratches are gone and I'm ready to move on to the next step of the project. Guys, if you're learning something from this video, please make sure to smash the like button for me so YouTube promotes this video. Also, while you're here, hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified of future projects. Okay, back into it. So now we're ready to go on to 5,000 grit sandpaper. This is the same exact process, only now you're going to go wider than the area you were working on before. The idea here is you've made a deep spot with a 3,000 grit, and now you're going to level it out, smooth it, and blend it into the rest of the paint, or the clear coat I should say, with the 5,000 grit. So now my hazed area is larger, and it looks like all the scratches are visibly gone. Now I'm on to the scratch remover part, so I just take a little bit of this and some elbow grease. This is the part that actually wears you out. You have to polish the haze out of the paint. This is where a power drill or a power buffer would be wonderful to have, but again, I'm trying to do this on the cheap, so I'm showing you how you can do it with just a little bit of effort. Now, once you get it polished to your liking, you are ready for the final step. Now the final step is to apply paste wax. I like using paste wax because it actually sticks to the surface of the vehicle. And this part is very simple. It's wax on in one direction, wax off in the other. Just like the old Karate Kid saying, baby. Okay guys, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, smash that like button for me so that YouTube promotes this video and it can help others learn how to fix their car scratches. Also, while you're here, hit that subscribe button so that you get notified of all of my future DIY projects. They're really helpful tips and tricks around the house to make you a more efficient DIYer. Thanks for watching guys, have a wonderful day.